Hey everybody, Chief Lukens here with your AI tip in 15 minutes or less. Here's a quick tip on trying to deal with policy. One of the things with accreditation or some of the standards that you may have in your agency is a requirement that people review a department policy when it comes out. They take a test on it, and that is quite a heavy lift, especially for smaller agencies when you're trying to put that out. In general, that can take a lot of time to get something like that taken care of. So what I've done today is showing you that you can click on Copilot. You can go into your regular Copilot. You can upload a file. I picked a Chicago policy because I've been able to find it on the internet. It was easy to download. I've used it for other examples. So that's why it is saying you've already uploaded a copy of this, because it's seen it before. But that's okay. What I did is I put in there, create a PowerPoint presentation based on this policy, complete with a 10-question multiple choice test. Bold the correct answers. And I just simply select it to run. And now it's going to generate a multiple point test, and it's also going to generate the PowerPoint presentation. And it does take a little bit, but this is really valuable when you think about how many seconds we're waiting. Maybe it's going to take us a minute for this thing to come together versus you sitting there trying to find all of these questions to go through all of these different types of things. And so what you can see now is it is already analyzed the department policy on human rights. It's given us 10 questions. So we know what they are. We know what the right answers are because they're marked in bold. So we can put that in any type of testing program that we want to utilize. Some folks use Police One, and there's a lot of other things that you can use as well. But this gives you the opportunity to give them a test. And then you'll see that the PowerPoint presentation is right here. You'll click on that, and it'll automatically download it to your files. And this PowerPoint presentation, when you look at it, is kind of pretty blasé. And so in another video, I'm going to show you how you can actually take this PowerPoint presentation and maybe make it a little bit nicer or utilize it in other ways, all being generated by Copilot. So literally you can have a policy done in training in 15 minutes or less, and it'll really make that a lot easier. Okay, well, remember to keep in mind your employee policies or your employer's policies, respect privacy, be mindful of ethical practices when you're doing this type of thing. I'm always committed to public safety. So I say, hey, if you want to help others, share this with somebody else, like and subscribe, and also ask me questions in the comments below, and I'm happy to address them. So be well, and we'll talk to you later.